Welcome, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This weekend we are celebrating Mother's Day, and so I just want to wish all the wonderful mothers across the world happy Mother's Day. Big up my mama, Miss Cutie from Jamaica, will bring up all of the nice things, them, the good things, they when me can't wait for eat. Oh my goodness, I'm just super happy that she's here with us and to help me and everything. Nothing beats a good mother. Yeah, I'm here driving on my way to get my mom. Mommy is here from Jamaica, so my older sister is gonna meet me in Kingston with her because she came up in Toronto Pearson Airport. I got it cheap. I forgot Toronto than to come to Ottawa. So yeah, so I'm gonna go meet her and go back home. And this big old belly driving. Only 2 weeks to go, so grandma is here to help me with baby and everything else, and the kids at home and everything else. So yeah, this view is so nice. Oh my goodness, Westport. Oh, it's so beautiful. Coming down the hill, seeing the water, everything. Mr. Cutie, may I tell you? Why I reach Kingston, people? Oh my God. Grandma is here, people. Jojo, come here.
Yes, mommy. Grandma. Good to see you again, guys. Good to see you, Mom.
Yeah. All of our good things coming up, guys. Cheese bread, lots of seasoning. Nice, lovely East Indian and Jamaica. Tambourine ball. Everybody getting something from the bag. We've gotta have bami here. Woolly pot breadfruit, jerk chicken, jerk pork, more breadfruit, fish galore. Yes, barrel come. Let's see what Shine got. Rotted. Who remember these? Boy! Shine get shimmies. These are so cute. Blessing get shimmies. These are so nice. And I got a nice Jamaican shirt. I don't know why Miss she buy extra large. That's what me big. Come like me I got pregnant forever. Yeah. I tell you, I'm gonna get 4 mango. I wish me get more mango. Oh God, mango nice. I mean, get the mango. You're blessing with a mark. No sir. Grandma in the building, guys. Every day me I clean and look here. Boy. Oh yes, I fry some breadfruit, guys. The fish that came. Oh yes, dinner up. So today we're out for Mother's Day dinner. My mom likes to eat at the Chinese buffet. So today we're at Mandarin for Mother's Day dinner. Oh, yes. I want to say a big thank you to my mom who came up from Jamaica to help me in this time. She really, really came and did a lot. Washing, cooking, cleaning, everything, sort out everything, and massaging me every night, the baby, my feet, my back. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much. You did so much for me. Oh my goodness, from birth till now, you still take care. You still take care of me. Oh my goodness. But it's really nice to just have my mom with me. Happy Mother's Day. Love you, Lord's Mama Cutie. Us mothers never stop being mothers. I think it doesn't matter what age the kids are, we're still a mother forever. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. And if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.